thermostat in. She bleeding a little bit. There's no leaks, y'all. The only leak is just that overflow that you see. That's the only leaky. But no leak. He finally got it done. This took all damn day because my ass messed up and went too quick and did not secure the gasket. I'm gonna put up on the video a little trick that I did. Not a trick. I just used some ATV or gasket seal or whatever. Put that on the thermostat side of the thermostat, not the engine side. I mean the thermostat side of the gasket. That's where I put the RTV at. I didn't put it on the engine side of the gasket. And I just kind of let it cure for like about 30-40 minutes. Came back out here, was able to put her in, and it didn't fight me because the problem I was having before was every time I lined everything up, you see it down there, that thermostat, every time I lined everything up, you can't see shit down there. So by the time the thermostat is inside the engine, the gasket always misaligned. So yeah, I just use a little gasket trick, RTV trick, and that shit worked.